We're going to be using this label for questions 37 through 39, and this is another label with multiple solution strengths. So we have three different options here. One thing to note is that this 250,000, that means 250,000 units over 1 ml. So instead of them writing units over 1 ml next to each of these numbers, to save space, they just put it once at the top. Okay, 37 says, if the smallest possible volume of penicillin solution is to be given, how much diluent should be added? So it's kind of easy to get this one mixed up. The 250,000, that is the solution strength, and that's the lowest solution strength. But they're not talking about that, they're talking about the volume. So the smallest possible volume is the 3.2 mLs. Now, it's going to be a really potent solution, it's a very strong solution, but that is the smallest possible volume. So 3.2 mLs is our answer. On 38 it says, using this strength from 37, how much would be given if the order is for 300,000 units? So like we said, the 3.2 corresponds to the 1 million. So this is 1 million units over 1 ml is equal to 300,000 units over x. And if we solve that, then we get 0.3. So this is 0.3 mLs. On question 39 it says, if you use 8.2 mLs to prepare this solution, how much will be given if the order is for 250,000? So 8.2 corresponds to the 500,000. Again, I do not want to use the 8.2 in the proportion itself. It just tells me to use the 500,000. And if I solve this, then I get 0.5 mLs.